Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka people perform an annual tomb sweeping after the Lantern Festival. During this time, there's a tradition called paper hanging. People prepare food such as pork, chicken, duck, eggs, garlic, celery fruit, and sticky rice balls as sacrifices. The tomb sweeping ceremony ends only after lighting incense, setting off firecrackers, and burning ghost money is complete.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month we're talking more about the Hakka culture, what they do on this first lunar month of the year. 所以 Leo 再给我们介绍一下正月的时候客家人有什么样的习俗，好不好？
可以，在正月的时候呢，客家人比较不一样的习俗就是我们从那个元宵节过后呢，就开始瓜子。
瓜子吃瓜子嘛？哎，
不是，
我们喜欢过年吃瓜子。No 啊，不是，
瓜子就是扫墓
啊，是扫墓的意思啊。
对。
Oh, you do the tomb sweeping around this time of the year. 不像说我们平常清明节 tomb sweeping day 通常是4月的时候啊，April。
不是，我们从元宵节之后就开始扫墓了。
Interesting.
而且呢，为什么要叫瓜字呢？
对，为什么叫瓜字？
就是一个客家的习俗，就是只要是我们有去扫过的、祭拜过的坟墓呢，我们的坟头上面都会放黄纸或是冥纸这样就代表这个坟墓已经有人来祭拜过了。
祭拜过了。Okay, so they actually take a piece of paper after they're done cleaning up the tomb, sweeping the tomb. They will place a paper on top of the tomb to signify that this tomb has been taken care of already.
其中客家人比较不一样的就是我们会准备红蛋，凤卵
就是红蛋，对不对？
对，就是红蛋。
红蛋。Okay, they have to bring a red egg to the tomb. Why? 为什么呢？
我们在那个拜完之后呢，我们把红蛋在现场就把它吃掉。譬如说小孩子吃了之后呢，就会这个祖先就保佑小孩子能够头脑聪明，考试100分。然后把蛋壳剥了之后呢，丢在坟墓上面。
So when you see the Hakka people sweeping their tombs, their ancestors' tombs, you're gonna see that they're gonna have these red eggs. They're gonna peel the shell, they're gonna eat it, and then they're gonna throw the shell on top of the tomb. Not only pay respect to the ancestors, but also to bring blessings to children too.
吃完红蛋之后，我们就开始要烧冥纸、小
course.
允子，
Yes.
然后呢，鞭子抛尾。
鞭子抛尾，
放完鞭炮之后呢，这整个瓜子的仪式呢，就是完成了。
原来这个瓜子完全没有瓜子的存在。
是的，没有，
就是挂纸了。Okay, that's tomb sweeping ceremony again that happens on the first month of the lunar year, and it finishes off with a lot of firecrackers as well. So there you have it. That's today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.